welcome back to my channel. This video is a short video in what's in the kit. So if you liked my huge Christmas mini album, then check out what you will get in your kit if you order the vintage winter kit. And it's huge. It is huge what's inside, and I'm gonna explain a little bit on how I put this kit together. First of all, you will see double ribbons, 2 bags of ribbons, and 2 bags of flowers. There are inside 2 bags of all the metal pieces that I used are inside these little bags. There is a little welcome note, always. You get 2 of these print out sheets which you can use. There are of course 3 pieces of chipboard inside that you use for the cover. And there is a big black leather look bookbinded linen inside, enough for the spines. And of course there are 46 papers of these yummies. And why that much? I have to explain a little bit. I could have split this in half, so each of you get how you call that, 23 sheets in a kit. That would be more than enough. And this album I made are 6 pages inside, 3 pages and then double. So if you see, for example, no, I'm not going to show you that, but you will see if I made a page, then I made 2 the same pages. So I want to make it huge and I want to make it simple. This is, yes, a beginner's album. It is. But it's such a short notice because, yeah, this week it is Christmas. So it is such a short notice that I did upload this. Why? Because of my Winter Tales project that was not planned. And I have these papers for such a long time. And this was planned that I made something this year for Christmas. So that is why I doubled the pages. So not 23 sheets that I was planned, but 46 pages inside. And then I just doubled up the flowers and the ribbons, because I had all that stuff already planned. So if there is a chance that you do not like, oops, it's such big. If you do not like this big album, then it's an advice, because you get everything double in your kit. Then it is an advice that you only make 3 pages. And then with your other half of your kit, another album, but then again with the 3 pages. So if you split everything, then you can make 2, and it's still huge. It's still a huge album. But if you make 2, then it's not this big. But if you like big, then be my guest and just use every sheet that I also used. Follow the tutorial and just do exactly the same. But if you have a slightly doubt on the thickness and ridiculous thickness of this album and you want to split it, then it's an absolutely good choice to still get this kit, because you can split all in half, because I included everything double. The flowers, the ribbons, and even the metal pieces. So this kit is definitely worth it. But yeah, it's short notice on, because it's this week Christmas, but still, why not? Why not? So send me, oh, there is just one thing that I wanted to say. In every kit there is no cardstock included. I used Clairefontaine 160 gram black in this project. So but if you like using white or brown or any color you like, just buy the cardstock yourself, because that is not included. And also one thing, because I give you the tip, if you want to make 2 albums, it is possible. Only there is only chipboard inside for 1 cover. But if you have chipboard extra in your own stash, then you still can make 2 albums. you can. Alright, that's what's in the kit. Little video, crazy, I know, but I still hope you'll love it. I hope, yeah, you will love it. I know it is. How to get this kit? Very easy. I don't have any website. I don't have Etsy any longer. Just send me an email. The email is always under every video to be found. Just send me an email to Cobra7 Junior and just send it. Ask me anything. If you have any questions, just send me an email. That's the best way how to get whatever I have. Alright, so I will see you in my mail, I hope. And I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. And I hope every joy that you can get. And yeah, see you next year. Bye bye.